How to see satellite view on Google Maps on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the App Store and download the Google Maps application on your phone. Open the app. Here, tap on the layers icon, which looks like two stacked squares, located in the upper right portion of the screen. Tapping this icon opens a menu at the bottom of the screen with various map type and map details options. Under the map type section, tap on the satellite option. The map view in the background immediately changes to show a photographic satellite image of the landscape. Now, swipe on the screen to look around and explore the area with real-world imagery. Following these steps, you can easily see satellite view on Google Maps on an iPhone. This way, you can take a look at any location you want in satellite view. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.